Welcome to Loudoun View, Ryan Homes' newest community in Loudoun County, Virginia, where you can live, work, and play. My name is Tracy with Ryan Homes, and I'm here to give you a tour of the community and a peek at our model homes. Loudoun View condo flats are designed with your lifestyle in mind. Our floor plans include 2 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms with up to 1,500 square feet. They are beautifully crafted with light-filled open spaces, in-condo laundry, and designer kitchens with large islands, quartz or granite countertops, gas cooking, and stainless steel appliances. Some floor plans accommodate a den, perfect for your home office or study. You can even enjoy personal balconies with storage for excellent outdoor living space. Each building is equipped with a commuter elevator, secure garage parking, and entry system for peace of mind. You can even use the smartphone app to let guests in. You'll love the smart home technology that is built into this community. Enjoy your weekends with our existing community amenities like the pool with bathhouse, playground for little ones, and the sports court with basketball and pickleball courts. All of this with low condo fees means the best value for condo flats in Northern Virginia. Located in the center of Sterling, Virginia, Loudoun View is a prime, walkable location next to Harris Teeter, Target, Costco, restaurants, and more. This community is less than 1 mile to Route 7, under 5 miles to One Loudoun, 6.5 miles to Reston Town Center, and 10 minutes to Dulles International Airport, and so much more. This location boasts easy access to everything Northern Virginia has to offer. Discover this brand new amenity-filled community in Northern Virginia. Schedule your private appointment to visit our models and meet with our sales representative. We can't wait to welcome you home to Loudoun View.